Alfa Laval, we strive to extend the performance of your equipment by understanding your processes and needs. We are committed to investing in people and technology to ensure you receive high-quality, high-performance equipment that can secure maximum uptime performance. 11 well-equipped service centers across the region offer rapid service close to you. Over 100 experienced service technicians are ready to serve, ensuring maintenance of your equipment that delivers high efficiency and optimal performance throughout their life cycle.
Alfa Laval is a true value provider with distinctive service culture. We ensure that your equipment always performs optimally. At Alfa Laval, we are ready to serve you with a wide range of offerings from our service portfolio, starting from installation, commissioning, preventive maintenance, troubleshooting, and we also undertake long-term service agreements to give you complete peace of mind.
We offer a wide spectrum of services for gasketed plate heat exchanger, such as regasketing, UV inspection, hydrojet and chemical cleaning, and pressure testing, delivering solid performance and reliability. All Alfa Laval service centers are equipped to perform and correct any sealing problems or deformities of heat exchanger plates, which are not visible to the eye. We developed GC6,
a superior heat-cured adhesive for reconditioning equipment.
It adds to the advantage of operational safety and efficiency, including prolonging lifespan. Our vast capabilities for rotating equipment are performed by highly experienced service technicians in local service centers based on Alfa Laval global service standards, which includes inspection, repair, welding, and balancing of rotating equipment. Restoring your centrifuge frame, skid, piping, or inlet-outlet to their original condition is the key to ensure the smooth running of the equipment. Balancing of rotating equipment is challenging. Ensuring the equipment rotates smoothly at high speeds and preventing consequential damage or accidents, as well as extending the lifespan of equipment.
At Alfa Laval, we are committed to service and reliability, ensuring quality, hygiene, and operational safety.
Alfa Laval has fully equipped workshops and skilled engineering teams, offering a wide range of solutions to secure and enhance performance throughout the life cycle of your equipment. We believe the key to all services is a strong partnership with customers. Come experience what Alfa Laval can do for you.